Hello everyone. Recipe for Tilgul Ladoo. Tilgul Ladoo, also known as sesame seeds and jaggery laddu, is a popular Indian sweet made specially during the festival of Makar Sankranti. Here's a simple recipe for making Tilgul Ladoo. Ingredients: 1 cup sesame seeds white, 1 cup grated jaggery, 1/4 cup desiccated coconut, 1/4 cup crushed peanuts, 1/4 teaspoon cardamom powder, 1 to 2 tablespoons ghee, that is clarified butter. Instructions. Number 1. Dry roasting sesame seeds. Heat a pan on low to medium flame. Add sesame seeds to the pan and dry roast them. The sesame seeds pop and change color. Keep stirring continuously to avoid burning. Once roasted, set aside. Number 2. Roast peanuts. Add peanuts to the pan and dry roast them until they get a few black spots on them. Stir often. Once cooled, remove the peanut skins by rubbing them between your palms. Number 3. Roast desiccated coconut. Add desiccated coconut to the pan and dry roast it. Stir continuously. Roast the coconut until it becomes light golden. Number 4. Laddu mixture. Add the roasted coconut to the roasted sesame seeds. Add crushed peanuts. Add cardamom powder for flavor. Mix well. Set aside. Number 5. Make jaggery syrup. In a thick bottomed pan, add the grated jaggery and a little water. Heat the jaggery on low flame until it melts and forms a syrup. Cook the jaggery syrup till it comes to a soft ball stage. Keep stirring. To check the soft ball stage, take some water in a small bowl. Drop some jaggery syrup in the water. Pick this with your fingers and it should be sticky and form into a soft ball. Number 6. Mix ingredients. Switch off the heat and add the roasted mixture of sesame seeds, desiccated coconut, crushed peanuts and cardamom powder to the jaggery syrup. Mix quickly and thoroughly. Number 7. Making laddus. When the mixture is still hot, begin to shape the laddus. Grease your palms with a little ghee to prevent sticking. You can make them as big or as small as you prefer. Number 8. Let them set. Allow the Tilgul Ladoos to cool completely and set. They will harden a bit as they cool. Number 9. Store in an airtight container. Once the ladoos have cooled and set, store them in an airtight container. They can be kept at room temperature for several days. Enjoy your homemade Tilgul Ladoos. These sweet treats are not only delicious but also hold cultural significance during festivals in many parts of India. Thank you.